We're here with another video. This is part 2 of the shock truck. We're going to pick up where we left off from part 1. We figured out that the power that we made was the most amount of power that we're going to make on that tune E85. Now we've done an upgrade with the exhaust. So what we did was we switched from the old 2.5 inch exhaust. It previously had shorty headers on it with the tune that we did before part 1. So what we did was we added 3-inch exhaust from the collector, and we added a X-pipe and dual exhaust the whole way. We added 2 new mufflers. And so what we're doing today is we're gonna not tune it. We're just gonna see how much horsepower and torque we can make with just the upgrade, like most people would do without tuning, and then we'll go into tuning and see if we can build more horsepower with the exhaust. So, all right, let's get to it. Okay, so I want to show you guys one other thing here. I switched to a split screen, so we got 2 screens, and I want to look at our acceleration rate, what we did over the last couple of runs. Alright, and so our max acceleration rate went from 10.1 to 10.7, almost 3/4 of a mile an hour faster when we gained our 29 horsepower over everything else. So like if we look at run 7, this run here, 239, that was on gas. Then we switched to E85, and we got 253 horsepower. And now we added some exhaust, 3-inch exhaust with an X-pipe, and we're now at 280 horsepower.